A leading global manufacturer of ammunition plans to spend $300 million to establish a new plant in Oklahoma, state and company officials announced Monday. CBC Global Ammunition, a Brazilian company that also owns the Magtech, MEN, and Sinterfire brands of small caliber ammunition, will establish what will be its third U.S. facility at the MidAmerica Industrial Park in the state's northeastern corner. Company officials said the factory will be capable of producing centerfire cartridges from 9mm to 12.7mm for the military, law enforcement, and sports and hunting markets. It is expected to create 350 jobs. CBC President Fabio Mazzaro said that the Oklahoma project will be a cornerstone for the company's growth in the U.S., which he called the world's most important market for small caliber ammunition. Mazzaro added that the company eventually hopes to build a leading vertically integrated business, with in-house production of all components, propellant, and critical raw materials. Groundbreaking at the 550-acre site, part of what was once a World War II-era munitions plant, is expected to take place later this year. Oklahoma officials said the deal included an undisclosed amount of state incentives. CBC says it has a global workforce of over 4,000 and produces nearly 2 billion rounds of ammunition annually. Magtech is the company's master distributor in the U.S. I'm Andy Zoll. This is Manufacturing Now.